So first of all, go into a web browser and then open up your credit card account. So once you log into your credit card, you're gonna have to look for something like this. It says payments. So right now I'm logged into my credit card account. In this case, what I'm using is the Canadian Tire. So that's one of my main ones, Triangle. And that just works with Canadian Tire Bank. So Triangle. Again, it's kind of like a bank and that's why it works, but it's actually your credit card. So right now, just go into payments. And on your left hand side, you're gonna see this, manage payees. You want to add a payee in this case. So down here below, it's gonna say add payee. So just tap there. And in this case, what we're looking for is this, city Hamilton. So just look for your own city, obviously, and then make sure to tag it the way that you guys want so you guys know what it is. So in this case, it's Hamilton City taxes. So that's for my property taxes. And remember that you're gonna have to put your account number. Now there's a bunch of zeros on the account number. Don't worry about that whole bunch of zeros if they don't fit in. There's really only one zero that fits at the very end, and it's just gonna work just fine. And by the way, this is something I've been doing for years. I do it to get the points, but hey, if you want an extra few days to pay this off, this is great because it's a credit card, right? You can pay it off after about 20 days or so. That's at least how I think about it. I never pay it after 30, always a little bit before. Anyways, right now, what you guys want to do is make a payment. Once you added your payee, going to make a payment. Once you're going to make a payment, you're going to see City of Hamilton or whatever city your guys are at, and then just make that payment towards them. So just go on and look how much you owe, and then just type it up here, whatever number that is. So here we go, we just enter that number, and then just press on continue, so you guys can just process that. Once you see that everything's fine, just press on pay bills, and that's it. You guys should see that it's successful. So right now we just paid off our property taxes using our credit card, something that most people don't know that you can do. And by the way, you guys can do the exact same thing when it comes down to Alectra utilities. So you guys can pay off your water bill, your electricity bill, plus your gas bill from here. You guys just have to add them on. So here's my list of payees, and I love to pay them through my credit card because if you guys notice, most people do it through their banks, and hey, you're not getting anything out of it. But if you do it through your credit card, maybe you're gonna get more points, or maybe you guys want to extend that time so you guys can pay it off. So whether you're paying your taxes or Enbridge or Electra utilities or anything, you guys can always add your payees right here for almost anything. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.